In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Steam controller configuration. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily reset any settings or changes that you have made to your controller on Steam. So to start, you can manage the controller settings by clicking on Steam at the top left, going over to the settings option, and in here, go to the controller category. Now you can enable or disable Steam input for all sorts of controllers. So your controller should be detected at the top, and if all you want to do is disable this altogether, just make sure that you tick all of these options off, especially the ones that say enable Steam input for these sorts of controllers. You can also go down at the bottom at desktop layout, reset the options here, and then disable Steam input for them as well. So you click on edit and then disable Steam input. There's no secret to this. Now, if you want to do it for specific games, then what you have to do is right-click the game, go to Properties, Controller, and in here you can again double-check to see if Steam input has been enabled or disabled, so change this according to what option you want to use, and then go into the Controller Configurator. Inside of Controller Configurator, you can manage the current controllers that you have connected and the layouts that have been attributed to them. So let's say I make this change here and I assign the X button to start, the B button to select, and then I don't like this. If I want to reset the entirety of this layout, all that I have to do is click on the settings icon and then revert changes. Now if I go back, you will see that all of the buttons that I changed, X and B, have been assigned once again. You can view the current layout here and change the buttons as well. You can also change it to community layouts, but if you want to go back to a previous layout that you have used before, essentially resetting it, just click on the layout and then choose between your layouts or templates made by Valve or the manufacturer or brand that made the game. And once you have selected the layout, it is essentially reset. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Steam controller configuration. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.